Hey guys, look what came in the mail today. If you guessed it's a new credit card, you'd be right. So this is a new Wells Fargo credit card that just came in the mail today, and as always we will do an unboxing video of this credit card. I have not opened this credit card. I will open this on camera to give you guys as authentic of an unboxing experience as possible. Before we dive right into it, give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and if you feel like personal finance, credit cards, trading, investment related videos, feel free to subscribe to this channel. So let's dive right into it. Okay. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, first, Wells Fargo Rewards Program Terms and Conditions. It goes through all the details of how to contact them, understanding the rewards, redeeming rewards and taxes, and all these details. You can find all this information on the website, but it's a good thing to give you a physical copy of this. I am not going to go too deep into this. Okay, the next one is Consumer Credit Card Customer Agreement and Disclosure Statement. Okay, once again, you should find this on the website. Oh, look. There's some of it is also in different languages. I have not exactly seen that in a credit card here in the US, but it's great that they have it in multiple different languages. Always helpful for people for whom English is not the primary language. What does Wells Fargo do with your personal information? After the whole Wells Fargo scandal, I guess they're being extra careful. Feel free to pause at any point in this video if you want to read through that. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about it. I'm going to put that to the side. Wells Fargo Visa credit card. Your new credit card is a powerful tool that is designed to help you achieve your financial goals. Take advantage of the introductory balance transfer. Okay. Balance transfers made within 120 days of account opening qualify for the intro rate and fee. This letter comes with 2 checks on the other side, so I'm not going to show that information. It has account information over there as well. So, but it gives you 2 checks to write to other places where you owe money to, so you could use those checks to transfer balances to your Wells Fargo credit card. The next item is the interest rate and charges. The intro rate is 0% for 15 months. After that, it'll be 20%. Okay, if you've been, a viewer of this channel, we recommend that you do not pay any interest by paying off your charges every month. And here it says there's no annual fee. That's perfect. There's some balance transfer fees, of course. It's pretty standard. But feel free to pause this video if you want to read that in detail. All right. Now, the moment you're actually here is to see the credit card. Okay, so this is the credit card. Confirm your card, scan code with your mobile phone camera or visit wellsfargo.com or call. Perfect. And here's the card itself. We discussed the low intro APR, 2% cash back. So you get 2% cash rewards on purchases you make with this card. It's a flat 2% cash back. That is great. There are other 2% cash back cards out there as well. This is one of them. Cash reward bonus, earn a $200 cash rewards bonus when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, which comes out to be around $333 approximately per month. Given the price of groceries and gas and everything else, I don't think this amount is too hard to hit for most people unless you're a student or you're probably staying at home. But for most people, spending $333 every month is, shouldn't be a big problem. So great beginner card. It's very simple. It doesn't have any rotating categories or anything. Just flat 2% on everything you spend. Very simple. Great for beginners, great for starters, great for people who want something very, very simple. Okay, let's see how this card feels like in the hand. Questions, call the number in the back of your card. We accept all relay calls, including 711. Okay. All right, let me take off the sticker. Okay, this is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. This is a Visa Signature card, which is great for no annual fee card. Getting Visa Signature, that's great. I like the design of it. It's matte, and there's some play with the light right there. I hope you guys can see it. This obviously has Touch to Pay. This is the Touch to Pay logo. This is the chip if you want to use that. And just the name up front, no numbers up front, which is great. Helps me do these unboxing videos for you without having to cover up much of the card. So hopefully I can give you guys a good impression of this. This is a beginner card, a starter card, but I like the design. This is not bright red or bright yellow. This is more muted, a more mature look. I like that. Yeah, but this card bends. This is made of plastic, no two ways about it. As you can see, pretty easily bendable. Weighs just the same. Yep, like any other card, but not bad for a no annual fee card. The design is kind of classy. I wasn't expecting metal or anything. I would still say amongst no annual fee credit cards, the U.S. Bank credit cards are the best. Mainly the U.S. Bank Altitude Go card. I have an unboxing video of that. I usually compare a lot of these no annual fee cards to it because I have yet to see a better no annual fee credit card from a major bank. If we are comparing no annual fee cards across all issuers, I would say the best one is the Apple credit card that is issued by Goldman Sachs. I have an unboxing video for that as well. Check that out. Pure metal card, no annual fees. So anyone can get that pretty much. So great card. I think that's the bar to beat for most of these financial institutions. Like Apple, being a tech company, came and delivered a better feeling, better looking card, and also it's great to use as well. Very user friendly. That's something maybe these big banks can learn from. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing new. It's pretty simple. 2% cash back on everything you spend your money on. No annual fee. Great card. So yeah, pretty much what you see is what you get. And also, I do want to mention before I go, when I got approved for this card, in a day or two, Wells Fargo sent me a paper copy of my credit score from Experian. So they send you your credit score via mail. So that's great. Mine was 812 out of 850. So that's great. So you'll get 2 envelopes. The first one being that credit score item, and the second one would be this credit card itself. And just to give you a bit of perspective, I got approved for this card last Saturday. I applied on Saturday, got approved right away, and I am recording this video the next Saturday. So between getting approved and getting this card, just 5 business days or 1 week. So arrives pretty quickly too. So not all credit cards come pretty soon or pretty quickly. So something I did like about this card as well is that they do send it to you pretty quickly. So that's great. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, do leave that in the comment section below and I will get back to you there. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.